Come cuddle with my bird.
Why are we all on the edge?
No, we have this big mattress. Somehow I sleep on the edge every night. What do you want to do today?
Got some house stuff to do. Cleaning.
Let's go to Starbucks.
Need to mow.
Do you want to go to Starbucks?
Yeah, but we need to make breakfast first.
Okay, you go make breakfast.
Hey! Dogs! Hey, who wants a treat? Who wants a treat?
We don't have a treat. Oh, she said I do.
You want a treat? Okay, then stop being crazy. Stop being crazy.
Oh my god.
Can you get out? Dummy.
Oh, cuddles, Tyson. Here she comes.
The monster.
Oh my god. I'm gonna grab some pants. Oh, wow, I'm tired. I've been really bad lately about doing my morning skincare. And I feel like my skin is suffering because of it. Like midday, I'll just have really dry, like pasty skin. So I'm just gonna do my morning skincare routine. I wanted to show you all the products that I use pretty much on like a daily basis. So I like to start off with the Summer Fridays CC Me Serum. It's basically just like a really hydrating, illuminating serum, and it has vitamin C in it. It is so amazing on my skin. So just rub this in really well. I like to take it down my neck. It's very like wakes you up, you know, it's so refreshing. I love it. And then I'll usually go in with an eye cream, usually this. This is the Pharmacy Cheer Up eye cream, and I really like this one lately. It's almost gone, obviously. And I just rub this all under and on top of my eyes. Just gives you like that nice vitamin C glow. I love vitamin C in the morning because it's really supposed to wake you up, get you hydrated, give you energy, give your skin energy and elasticity. So I love using it in the morning. Then I will go in with my Tula 24/7 moisture. This is like my ride or die moisturizer. Every now and then I'll use a different one, but pretty much on a daily basis, this is the one that I use. I love Tula products because they have probiotics in them, and they're made with superfoods, so they're super healthy for your skin. I've honestly never had anyone say anything bad about them. They just really work for most people's skin type, which I love. I actually have a code Blake Swanner, and you can get 15% off any Tula product. And then speaking of Tula, I sometimes like to use a little eye balm, just kind of like a refresher for the morning. So this one is the Courtney Shields Glow Hour, so it has kind of like an orangey, glowy undertone, as opposed to like the pink one, which has a pink undertone, and then the blue one, which is just regular. There's no like coloration to it. And then I like to use the Radiance by Beauty Bio. I'm sure you've followed me on Instagram and you've heard me rave about this. So it's just a facial oil. I like to use like 3 or 4 drops, mix it all together, and it has rosehip seed oil, so it's super hydrating, brightening. Oh my god, it makes my skin so dewy and so great. And I like to let this sink in for, you know, at least 30 minutes, as long as I can, before I apply makeup, because I want it to be super hydrated. Now I'm just going to brush my teeth, and I think Bryce is making breakfast, so I'm gonna go see what he's doing. Hello, chicken. Hi. You are so cute over here, sunbathing. You were just so cute. And Tyson, you're so cute. My little baby. Little babies. That's gonna like boil the sink. That thing's hard to like navigate. I think I'll just learn how to do Learn where its boundaries are. Ooh, it stinks though. Bryce did a little, what is this, like
It's a scramble.
veggie scramble, some burnt bacon. What happened to it?
It's a new stove, man. I don't know.
It's Kentucky Fried. Some toast. Looks so yum. Just getting ready. We have spent the morning getting a ton of our house stuff done. Like, we had a huge wine spill on our like wall from our party the other night. One of our friends decided to just spill a glass of wine, so we had to like paint that. Of course, I cut my finger picking up the glass. I don't know, it's just been a nightmare, but we had to like straighten up, get things tidy. I feel like we do that, like do like a deep clean every other day. Like, so much more space that you have to clean now, but we're gonna get ready. We're gonna film a little house tour, just kind of showing like what our house looks like, and the plans we wanna do to it. The plans what am I saying? The updates we wanna make on it. And then I think we're going to get ready and go swim at my dad's. Maybe grab some dinner, hang out with my family. Should be interesting. Where are we headed, Bruce?
We're headed to your dad's.
Well, right now, where are we going?
Oh, we're gonna go get some
Chipotle. We couldn't decide what we wanted for dinner because we've been eating pretty bad. We had like bueno last night, pizza the night before. We've not been eating healthy at all.
Yeah.
Which, not like Chipotle is like super healthy, but it's like a little bit lighter than, oh my. A little bit lighter than pizza and bueno. I wish that you were more like involved.
Sorry, that's just not me. I mean, I'll be involved, but I'm not gonna be like, hey guys, so we're going to Blake's dad's today. Like, I'm not gonna do that.
That sounded great.
No, it didn't. Smells good.
It smells so good. I got something like,
Oh no. This is my bowl.
okay, let me open mine. Oh, I hate
Oh,
when
no.
that happens. Oh well, looks good.
It's the struggle.
Always do 3 little tortillas on the side. Makes it so yummy. Chris and I were just talking about how no matter like what was I saying? No matter what you get at Chipotle, like it's most likely gonna be different than the person next to you.
It's very customizable.
Yeah, I was thinking like I have so many particular things that I like the mini tortillas and the sour cream on the side, and I have to have like a Mr. Pibb with it or Dr. Pepper. And like how many other people have random requests like that? It's like Starbucks where I think it's the same thing.
Small talk, no conversation. That look makes me impatient. I can't tell what you're thinking. Please tell me what you're thinking. Last night we were more than fine. Just tell me if you changed your mind. If you changed your mind. Cause I'm all in. I'm calling, no answer. But you text me when you feel like, when it feels right to you. But I'm all in, I'm falling faster. But if you're looking at me with the heart of doubt, don't kiss me right now.
The lighting is so good.
Hi, this is my mom and dad.
What? Not mom and dad.
When we were
10.
And you're your age.
Trying out this new place by our house. Are you sure that's the front? Oh, Bryce, this is a good white wall.
Yeah.
So good. Just got like a chicken sandwich, splitting fries, which I don't know if this is enough.
How do you do that? Turning it in, then turn it around. How do you do that? Did you find a purpose placed me neatly on the shelf? Have you ever heard this? Do you put it on display just 'cause you will?
Bryce, I'm so bored.
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Can we just go do something?
What do you want to do?
I want to just go to the pool.
I don't have any
How
pool.
hard is it?
I don't have a pool.
We can sneak into that one down the road.
Down the road. Sneak into that one down the road.
You want to try it?
Not really.
Okay, let's go to Home Depot.
Okay, what do you want to depot?
Well, we can look at stuff for our house.
Okay.
Are you really down?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's do it.
Okay.
So we are leaving Home Depot. We went in and picked out the paint that we want for our pergola. We are doing like a crisp black. We want like, our trim is already black, and then we are going to be painting the exterior of our house, which is like brick and siding, a bright white. Anyway, so we got the black paint and what else? Like some rollers.
Yeah, just painting supplies.
Painting supplies, because we literally don't own any of that.
It's gonna be fun. The guy said that if we need to do the exterior of our house white, he was saying you just.
You told him that?
Yeah, he was like, you just need 1 5-gallon. 'Cause
Really?
He said for a 1-story with mostly brick, you just would need 1 5-gallon, so it'd be like $90.
Hell yeah, let's get that tomorrow.
We don't need.
Well, if it's 90, then they have 20. Did you get the $5 off?
Yeah, it's $5 off each one.
Okay.
It's $10
So
off.
we come back tomorrow, or like
Let's just do
Tuesday.
that. Let's just do
Wait,
this
today,
project
tomorrow's
first.
Tuesday. You want to start tonight?
No, I don't.
Okay, well, we have many trips to Home Depot in our near future. I'm already convinced.
I need to
Like,
get a Home Depot
that
card.
place is fucking awesome. We should get a Home Depot card, and then we can get points on how much we're spending here.
True.
That sunset, so gorge. We, well, our friend Grant opened up a bottle of wine the other night, and so we're finishing it. It's surprisingly still good after a few days, huh, Bryce? Take what?
Still good.
Yeah. So Bryce is making some dinner. Like I said, we're drinking our wine. And we...
Blake sits and looks pretty a lot with the dinners.
You know it. We are using our decanter. Isn't that what this is called?
Yep.
Or aerator, something like that.
Yeah.
Even though it's been already aired out, but our friends Austin and Alyssa got us. It was like almost brought me to tears the other night when we opened that, because it was just so cute and sentimental. And I was like, when did you buy this? And I guess they bought it like right when we bought the house, which is so nice.
They're the best. Yeah.
If you follow me on stories for any amount of time, you know that we put sugar and wine in our spaghetti sauce just because it makes it so much better. I swear, if you have a spaghetti sauce recipe, we just use the Rayos, like the base, and then we add all of our own shit to it. Garlic salt. We need to do Parmesan because that's what my mom did last time, and it was super, super yummy.
I guess I should settle for your honesty. Boy, don't you want me to be grateful? Boy, don't you want me to be? You already told me you're a fuckboy. Should I thank you for your honesty? Should I thank you for your honesty?
We finished dinner and came over. It's one of our friends' birthdays. We came over to get in the hot tub. Yeah, it was a pretty good Labor Day weekend.
It was.
Did a whole lot of nothing.
Well, that's not true. We did a lot of stuff.
Anyway, we're gonna have a few drinks, hang out with friends.
Turn it around. How do you do that?